Hey guys, just to let you know how super impressed I was with the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 multi cooker. So what we're doing today is I'm going to be cooking a wild pheasant which I got it from my local butchers, and in order to cook it, it was very simple. You switch it on, select the mode that you want to work with. So we want to bake it. So it's set at 90 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the temperature to 180, and I'm going to change my time to half an hour. And what you got inside is, this is the wild pheasant, which I put it in a nice grill. Close that off, start. So the cooking is finished, and one of the pieces that I've got that I made earlier from the same pheasant was breast of the pheasant wrapped up in bacon, and you can see how delicious it looks. Yum. I hope you enjoy cooking with the Ninja Foodi as well. Have a good day. Bye.